What is going on, squad? So I had my own belt squat video that I was gonna drop, but we can thank Matt Schifferle with Red Delta Project, link to his YouTube channel in the description below, on this belt squat. Now I'm going to demonstrate both his variation and our forearm forklift variation. I have to say his looks better, but I have not tried it yet. So let's try this first. So here's what he wants us to do. He wants us to set it to strap number 14, okay? So once we put it in strap 14, we slide it underneath. And this is our start position here. So now we take the IsoMax bar and we have it upside down like this. So right here, this is how we're starting it, with the loading ring pointing face up, okay? So once the unit is on, make sure that it's turned on. All right, and what we do is we just attach the other piece, the other snap hook, to the ring, and then you will need a dip belt for this. So I actually had a dip belt when I was training clients out of the house. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to actually loosen this a little bit. So he had a little bit of give on his belt. I wanna make sure that the snap hook here is nice and flush, because if you've had any time spent with the iso chain and you pull on a carabiner that's not flush, it's gonna forever be locked out, all right? So this is our starting position. So it is now facing in the same direction as us. So it's not our normal out like this way. I'm sure there was a better way to say that, but here we are. Oh, okay. So I am really deep in the squat. I'm gonna try and push up. This is my first time ever doing this. Oh, wow. I mean, that is a squat. That is 100% a squat here. And out of curiosity, what did I get? What did I get? 204. I don't know if you can see that. I can't really twist it. 204.8 to be exact. All right, I'm gonna do one more lift, but I'm just going to adjust the chain on the dip belt so I can get just a little bit higher. I'm actually interested to see how it would feel a little higher. Okay. All right, and I'm gonna set the load to 200. Oh man, thank you so much, Matt. This is a great variation to belt squat. And again, I'll do the forearm forklift as well, but this is great. So I'm a little higher now. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. Man, best feeling of my quadriceps working yet. And we have a 244. Now, you know, I was a little higher up, so I can, you know, get a little bit more force in there. And the lower I am, I'm not gonna be able to get that much force. And the higher you are on the belt squat, the more forces you're gonna be able to produce. This is great. This is definitely about as real as it's gonna get. This feels almost exactly like my belt squat in the other room there. So if you're wondering where to get this dip belt, the link is in my Amazon link down below in the description box. There is one right there for you. It's literally the exact one that I have, which is the JFO version. There are other ones, whichever you feel comfortable with. Go ahead and strap that. But now it's forearm forklift time. All right. Are you ready for this? This is full power here. 3, 2, 1. What was that? Yeah, 551. All right, so that's different. All right, guys, but what do you think? What do you think about the different variations of belt squat? I love my forearm forklifts, and I'm keeping, but I have 2. I'm gonna keep both of them. I think 2 came in one package when we ordered it. I think that it's a bad variation now, but I will say that being able to get down deep in the pocket like that with Matt Schifferle Red Delta Projects variation is just better. You know, and it's one of those things where, kind of like with the chest press with the iso chain, we did the best that we could with what we had, but when something better comes along, you know, you just want to make the transition. So for anyone that's purchased their forearm forklift, it's still valuable. You can use it for its original intention. You can still use it for belt squat at the higher strap numbers now. So it's not completely useless, but I would challenge you guys to go ahead and check this out. If you have a dip belt, go ahead and try this. It feels like I'm belt squatting in the other room with the weight. So, all right, guys. Well, what are your thoughts? Go ahead and comment down below. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to drop a like, go ahead and comment. If you'd like to support me, No Limit Squad has a Patreon. I love your support there. And if you're not yet part of the squad, hit that subscribe button. Come join the squad with us. We'll see you next video.